Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Codeforces round 652 division 2. So in this contest we are going to solve problem B, that is accurately, and I hope you have already read this problem. And so now let's talk about the problem statement. So you can see, if there is a string given to us and we can shrink it by choosing 1 and 0, and we can replace this by either 1 or 0. So you can see that is 0 1 0 1. So we found 1 and 0 here, so we can replace this 1 and 0 by either 1 or 0. So if there is two possible cases, that is this one and this one, then the lexicographically smaller string will be answer. So this is our answer. So now let's discuss how we can solve this problem. So you can see, if there is all the 0, and so let's see for this test case, that is 0 1 0 1. So we can see there is 1 0 from the start and 1 1 from the start, and we are not going to see what is inside these 1 and this 0. So in place of all the, so we will just take 0 from start, that is this 0, and 1 from end, that is this, and we will insert 0 in between these two characters if there is any substring inside this one and this 0. So you can see there is all the zeros. We can just count 0 from start. There are 3 zeros, and we will print this 0, and we will count all the ones from end, and we will take all the 1 from end and will insert 0 in between if there is a substring inside this part and this part. So there is no substring inside this part and this part, so there will be no any 0. So for this test case, there is no 0 from start and there is 1 from end. So its answer will be 0 and 1. And for this test case, you can see there is no 0, then we will have an empty string, and you can see there is no 1 from end, so again we will have an empty string, and we will just place a 0 between two empty string, then our answer will be 0. So from this observation we can now code our solution. So let's code our solution. So let's take t test cases. So we have taken t test cases, and now let's take n and take a string, and now take two variables, that is count of 0 and count of 1. So let's take 0 equals to 0 initially and 1 equals to 0 initially, and now iterate over our string. Then you can see this macro here, fon. So we are iterating over a string from 0 to n minus 1 if s of I equals to 0, then we will increment 0, else we will break from the loop. And so again we will iterate over string from n minus 1 to 0. So again you can see this macro here, and if s of I equals to sorry, let's take a string here, since we are iterating over a string, we are counting 0, then we will increment, else we will break out of the loop. So now if 0 plus 1 equals to n, then we will, so now if 0 plus 1 equals to n, then we will print all the zeros from start and all the ones from end. So let's run again a for loop from I to 0 and out print, just print 0. We have to print 1 until count of 1. So why we are doing this, we have to omit this one. And now we can just now if 0 plus 1 is not equals to n, then we will just place a 0 in between all the zeros and all the 1. So now let's run this. One was not declared, oh sorry, oh it should be a character, since we are comparing character. So and now let's run this. So we can see the correct output. All these outputs are same. So this is it for this problem. So thank you guys.